Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headlines. More vaccine might get dashed for mountain. One 5-year-old girl gets shot and dead in a New Haven, St. Andrew. The St. Anne police still a look for the missing teacher. Make sure you follow our YouTube page, Braadkyaas Jamiekan, for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Ministry for Health has said them have more than 260,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, and if people not take them by month end, them have to dash them away. Them said this Wednesday when them did a talk at the sitting of Parliament Public Administration and Appropriation Committee, PAAC. On top of that, the ministry say them have nearly 370,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine in a storage. The ministry did have a dash of 60,000 AstraZeneca vaccine September month end. The police reported them find out the name of the man who burned up in a house Wednesday gone. The man, a 47-year-old Eugene McFarlane, who come from Effortville. The people them said the man mad and them find him in the bathroom at the burned-down house. According to the police report, around 10 in the morning, people see smoke come from the house and call them. Fireman come and out the fire, and when them done, them find the body. One 5-year-old girl gets shot and killed when she did asleep in her bed in a New Haven, St. Andrew. The girl named Denique Salman. According to the police report, Denique did asleep in her bed around 1 a.m. when gunmen start bust some shot off of them one another. Carrie Ambersley Salman, who a Denique mother, say her older daughter tell her that Denique get shot. Them call the police and them rush her to the hospital where doctor says she dead. The St. Anne police said them not reach nowhere yesterday after them did a search for the missing teacher, 34-year-old Rochelle Williams. She missing from September 15. According to Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, who are the head for the St. Anne police, them searched Claremont yesterday after them get information to Smadisiar. Them go Linstead too, cause them think she travel from Linstead to Ocho Rios. Some detective who work at the Mandeville Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, asked everybody else to know who one man be after them find him dead body at one tire shop at the Royal Flat Main Road in Manchester yesterday. The body dark and slim and about 5 feet 6 inches long. According to the Mandeville police, around 6:56 in the morning, one worker at the tire shop found the body laid down in one room in there and called them. The man did get shot. The police carried the body to the house. The detective them from the Mandeville CIB asked anybody who might know who the man be for call them pan 876-962-2832, police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. People, I just remember when I said the curfew run from 8 p.m. tonight and on 5 a.m. My name is Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.